Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and today we are check out original wireless controller Bluetooth for Nintendo Switch Pro PC PS3 Joystick Gamepad NFC Professional lag-free gamepad. Features: Asterisk 100% inspection before shipping. Original global version. Asterisk original factory, with appearance patent, lowest price, best quality. Asterisk standby time 50 days, when fully charged. Asterisk private mode with parent right. Asterisk Super HD dual vibration feeling, more real sense of substitution. Asterisk accurate control, excellent hand feeling. Asterisk Bluetooth 4.0 connection, 8 meters transmission distance, high rate signal transmission is steady, no delay. Asterisk built-in 6-axis gyroscope, somatosensory tracking, aim at the target fastly and accurately. Asterisk smooth streamlines design and fashionable color, delicate and frosted shell, comfortable touch feeling. Even after long time operation, you won't feel tired. Asterisk 1 key turbo, continuous attack, more quickly through the level. Asterisk 1 million using times of sensitive joystick and key, is flexible in response, accurate in direction, and free from drift and failure. The precise button has good resilience and is not rigid, with screenshot function.